this video, I will show you how to log in online in Commerzbank. So if you want to log in online, follow me in this video guide and let's get started. First, open Google and search for Commerzbank. Click first result here. This is official website. After that, click login. When you click login option, you have two options here. You have username and password PIN. From the username, write your unique username and then write your password. After that, choose a login option. This is the first step you need to do. If you want to log in through app, just go to Google Commerzbank and then download this app and install this app. After install this app, you can log in just like this option. You will see the same page login here. Two options, login, username and password. It is easy and simple steps. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comments and I will answer your question.